Actually, I haven't been able to call her. I've been meaning to call her, but... Sabi ko nga kay Kit like, we've been here since Wednesday. We haven't been able to see Bob. Normally, they play golf or something, but it's been raining. Sukal-pal lang dad niya.
Patay lang na to. Si Ocho ito eh. Palag lang eh. Si Jam. Wala si Pino. Gusto mo yun eh. Parang ano mo eh. Parang agami lang. Agad na!
The tsunami? Did I record it?
Tinamaan ba? Tinamaan ba Hawaii?
Big Island, but not us.
Pero not major. Not major damage.
Well, not for the water to come all the way into like Walmart. It's like
umabot din sa inland?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
came in.
Pero walang fatalities?
No. But some houses went under.
Wow.